Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be taking a look at some pliers that I picked up at Harbor Freight probably something like 8 years ago or so. It's been a while, and I'll get into the prices of these, my thoughts on them, as well as some others that I own, but also some other options that you may consider or other options that Harbor Freight has. But I've had these for around 8 years, and these are extremely cheap, long reach, long nose pliers and hose pliers. Harbor Freight, back when I purchased these, had a few different sets. Now they have even more. And I picked these up because I was just kind of getting into the professional field, and I was also starting a large project where I knew I was going to need pliers like this, but I didn't know how often I was going to use them. So I just picked up the cheapest ones I could find at Harbor Freight. I think these two were sold individually. I know they do sell individuals, but they also sell sets of these long reach, long nose pliers, but they're like 0 and 90 degrees and 20 and 45 degrees, where this is a straight and a 45. I don't know if that's a set or not, but they do have other brands available as well. As far as hose pliers, they do have some from CONT. I'll get into the other ones as well as their pricing here in just 1 minute, but I needed these for a few projects, and I bought these because I didn't know if they were going to be useful, or if I was going to use them enough to spend more money. And when I was going to get into the professional field after using these, I realized how amazing they were for certain situations, and I ended up picking up the Knipex, which then I ended up getting a job where they provided all the tools for me. So I didn't need these, but I'm really glad I have them. They are amazing pliers from Knipex. But do I need these for at the house? No. I could easily get by with these. Am I glad I have these? Yeah, they're amazing. I also have like the Tecton duckbills, which they no longer sell, but they're long reach and they have cross hatching in the teeth. Great little cheap set of pliers that I bought. And then I also have the Gear Wrench XX, I think is what they call them, for tight situations. I rarely ever use these, and when I got them, they were extremely stiff. I think Crescent has the same ones. Not my favorite set of pliers. I had to soak them overnight and just use them in order to get them to operate halfway decently. But they do sell these at Harbor Freight as well from, I believe, Quinn. But if you don't have long reach pliers, they are fantastic for really tight situations, whether you get the double compound or the compound set like the XX from Gear Wrench, or you just get some long reaches. Even if they're cheap, these are far from being high quality, and they've done the job just fine. They got a double dipped handle. As far as these ones, they have multiple different sets and handle designs, but as far as the teeth, well, you can't really. They're straight cut teeth, fine teeth, and then a flat jaw back here. So very basic, but they've worked extremely well. And while there is quite a bit of flex, you're going to find that on all long reach pliers. It hasn't hindered the performance or prevented me from, effectively using these. There you can see the teeth a little bit better in this set. There we go. So that's the straight and 45. And then the hose pliers. Not only are these fantastic for vacuum lines, coolant lines, heater cores, these are also fantastic for electrical connectors where you got to pinch both sides and pull. Some of those electrical connectors can be a pain to deal with, and a set like this can really come in handy to be able to reach around the connector and be able to pinch both sides and pull. So these are fantastic in multiple different situations. So as a weekend warrior DIYer, I think these are plenty good for most people out there. If you guys have experience with these, please let me know down in the comments whether it's good or bad. Or if you're in the professional field, have you tried these? I mean, honestly, they're cheap enough to where if I did damage them, I could just easily get a new pair, no big deal. Or would you do like I did and step it up for somebody that may use these, maybe not on a daily basis, but maybe, a weekly basis? So getting into the pricing, these are all 11-inch pliers. This is a 3-piece set for $14, and the 2-piece set over here well, if this is a set, it would sell for $10. Like the 0 and 90 degree set comes in at $10, and the 20 degree and 45 degree set comes in at $10. Then they also have a 16-inch pair of these, but it has a different handle design. I think the technical term for it is the squiggly handles. That's the professional name for them. And those run $13 for the 0 or straight and 90 degree. And then Icon also sells a single set of pliers, not a 3-piece set or anything, but a single set of pliers, hose pliers, for $20. And then Icon also has an 11-inch pair at $22, and I believe they have different angles as well. But then Quinn, like I stated earlier, does have this same like compound or X design, and that set runs $15. If you're somebody that deals with really tight spaces, this just helps keep the handles closer together and the jaws from being really far apart, but you still get a large area here for grabbing. So any awkward positions, these have done so well over the years. It's mind-blowing because the quality is not great. The finish, not fantastic, but even some of the more expensive ones, I've seen some of the finishes on them and they're not much better. Now, I'm not saying these are the best pliers in the world and it's gonna work great for everybody, but they've worked well for me. Like here, if you look at the tooth alignment on it, it's hard to see, but let me get my hand out of the way. Like you can see one side is much thicker than the other. And just like the overall finish, just, you know, they're cheap pliers. They're really, really cheap pliers, but for a long reach pair or set of pliers, they're priced really well, and I haven't had an issue yet. But once again, if you guys have had issues or really good experiences with these, drop it down in the comments. I think this is a great beater set, whether you are using these or these. If you deal with electrical connectors or hoses, these are fantastic for more situations than you might think. Or did you guys pick something up like these? If you guys have used the Knipex ones, let me know your guys' thoughts on these. These are very, very thin, but very durable. Nice, clean finish, obviously. I want to say the set is something like $75, something like that. Made in Germany, obviously. Really nice pliers. But even though I have these and the other ones I showed you, anytime I'm going for a task, you know, I'm grabbing these, because if I break these, I really don't care. But they've held up well over the years. So that is just one of the hidden gems that I wasn't expecting to be, you know, really worth a dang in the future. They've held up really well. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. Once again, leave your thoughts down in the comments or your experiences with them. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.